Barack Obama has participated in fundraisers for Biden throughout the 2024 election cycle, most recently appearing with him on July 15th after a significant fundraising event in Los Angeles. Unless Biden voluntarily steps down, he is almost certain to be the Democratic nominee in 2024. On Wednesday, Biden, 81, reassured his campaign staff of his intent to remain in the race, but reportedly confided to a close ally that he might reconsider if his polling numbers continue to decline. According to the Reuters Ipsos poll, more than half, 56% of Americans believe Biden should withdraw from the race, while 46% think Trump should suspend his campaign. The poll, conducted on July 1 Tech, surveyed 1,170 U.S. adults, including 892 registered voters, with a margin of error of plus or minus 3.2 percentage points for all respondents and 3.5 percentage points for registered voters.